Hey, let me show you all controls of the CMF Buds Pro. So when we open the Nothing X application, we'll be able to get access into these controls. And now we've got double tap, triple tap, tap and hold, and double tap and hold. So it works for the left and the right one. It's just the same. So let's focus on the left. For example, on the double tap, we can skip forward, skip back, wake the voice assistant, and we can answer and hang up calls. It's actually as default, we actually cannot change it. And also we can play and pause media. On the triple tap, we can skip back, skip forward, voice assistant, decline incoming call. And on the tap and the hold, we can adjust the noise control or use the voice assistant. And with the double tap and the hold, we can volume up and volume down. And yeah, this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.